The most abundant sea turtle in the world, olive ridleys have extraordinary nesting habits. These small turtles migrate massive distances between their oceanic feeding grounds and the shores that draw them back to mate and then to nest. It's an effort that will have taken this female almost everything she has. In huge congregations, known as arribadas, meaning arrival by sea, vast numbers of these usually solitary females come ashore to lay their eggs. They will do this once or twice every season, and for a few days every year, their tropical nesting beaches will be crammed with thousands of turtles. Olive ridleys have been seen 4,000 kilometers from shore and have an annual migration from pelagic foraging to coastal nesting site and then all the way back to their oceanic feeding grounds. It is a massive effort for each of these small turtles, and for some, it will be their last. Dragging themselves out of the water, the arriving females lumber on shore, pulling themselves up beaches where they themselves hatched some years before. Clearing away sand with her front flippers and digging with her rear ones, she prepares her egg chamber. Into it, she will deposit around 100 white eggs. This could be the first of up to 3 batches she will lay in one season. Once her eggs are covered, she will use her 45-kilogram body to help pack down the sand before she leaves the nest forever. Their work done, the wary females make their way back to the ocean, leaving their eggs to incubate in the warm sands. They will never see their offspring as these oceanic wanderers disappear back into the welcoming swell of the ocean. Back on shore, the residents know there is a feast coming. Just under 2 months after being laid, the tiny turtle hatchlings will emerge from their eggs into an unwelcoming world. The beach that stretches like a marathon before them is daunting, and their chances of survival are not good. But these little hatchlings must make their first mini migration if they are to survive, and they run the gauntlet of the beach. Black vultures are usually carrion eaters, but for them and other wading birds, the bite-sized and bountiful turtle hatchlings are a snack too tempting to pass up. crabs too yearn to join the feast. Endearing little ghost crabs, with their fast and jerky movements and powerful pincer claws, are one of the main causes of mortality for turtle hatchlings. For this tiny fighter, it's a lucky day. Making a break for the beckoning surf line, its ocean home is in sight. For the next few years, the hatchlings are lost to the ocean currents until they too are old enough to journey all the way back to this very spot.